we grabbed this peel and stick tile from Dollar Tree for $1.25 and turned this area of our kitchen into our backsplash. And so many of our viewers told us to do the entire kitchen that way. And one of my friends said to bring it all the way up to the ceiling. So that is what we are doing today. I hope you enjoy this video and this mobile home makeover. I do a lot of cooking, cleaning, decorating, grocery hauls, which you will see at the end of this video, and so much more on this channel. So if you like anything DIY homemaking involved, definitely hit that subscribe button. So the first thing I'm doing is just getting everything cleared off, and then I'm going to go through and clean all the walls to make sure there's no dirt or anything on there that would make it harder for my stickies to stick to them. But like I said, we got these peel and stick squares from Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different ones to choose from, and we went with this silver one. And ironically, my friend also told me that silver is really popular in kitchens right now, and people are switching out their gold for silver. So somehow Aaron and I are on trend without even trying. But to be honest, I love the gold. So I cannot wait to do this with y'all. I'm just going to time lapse the whole process so that y'all can see everything that I was doing. The tiles are really easy to work with. It's basically just a giant sticker, and then the part that you see, it does have a little tiny bit of texture to it, but it doesn't stick out too far. But it's got a little bit to it, so it's more than just a wallpaper. It really does look realistic as to what you would get in actual tiles, but I'm assuming it's a lot cheaper this way, and it's a lot easier to do yourself. So if you like doing DIYs and you want to do a kitchen backsplash, this would be such a good idea. So I also took a clip later on in the video where it just shows you how the tiles would look if you did one along the whole border, and I thought it actually looked really good. So if you're not wanting to go ham on it and do all the walls and you just want to do a border, I think these would work really well for that also. So I ended up needing a ton of these. I spent about $80 total on this entire backsplash, and I think that's a really good deal. I know I would never be able to pay that amount for someone else to come in and do it. So just being able to do it yourself, it saves so much money. And this project, between the one night and today, probably took me about 3 hours total. So not much time either. But I'm going to continue working. All I used was a box cutter and my peel and stick, and I just went to town.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
And here's how it would look if you just did one row. And I actually think that this looks good. Just doing one sheet all the way across. And that would be much more affordable if you weren't ready to do like the whole entire thing. But here's what I've done so far. So I could end it there and not go up any higher. But I really like the idea of going all the way up to the ceiling. So that's what I am doing now. And I know I missed a little spot over there in the corner. I honestly thought, let's do what is easiest and then go back and do the hardest parts. So, I could not get that bracket thing off of my wall for the life of me. I tried all different screwdrivers and just couldn't get it out. So I worked around it.
You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me.
Because we live in an old mobile home, our panels in between each one of them has a little seam that you can see, which is that white strip peeking through. So one thing I could do is paint that gray with some just regular paint that I have. But then I ended up just leaving it be because it doesn't bother me any. And also those little strips do help support the paneling. And my curtain is going to go over it anyways, so you can't see it once the curtains go up. But if you go to do this and you're in a mobile home and you have those strips, you could either take the strips out and caulk in between them, sand them down, and then go ahead and put your sticky tiles on, or you could just paint them whatever kind of color would blend in with the rest of your walls. So now I'm just going back over here. This is the area I did the other day in a video, and some of you suggested going in a little bit further behind the refrigerator. So I decided I had some leftover, so I went ahead and did that.
Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination.
I'm so excited for how this turned out. Wow, is it a big difference? And it just looks so cool. So this is probably one of my favorites mobile home makeovers that we have ever done on our channel, aside from when we replaced the carpet in the living room, because that other carpet was so nasty. So probably until we do our bedroom redo, this is my favorite for sure. Alright, I'm going to show y'all a quick grocery haul. These drinks were 3 for $12, so we got 3 of them. I got the zero sugar cream soda. Aaron got Starry. And coming over here, he also got Dr. Pepper or Pepsi. And then I got a big thing of toilet paper. This was the cheapest one they had. It's the Food Line brand. Oh, there's just Dr. Pepper right there. Water. Replenished. These are so good. They're $2.59 versus the like $3.59 that the Mios are. We got some milk. We got manwich, 4 manwich. I kind of just tell y'all the meals as we go. Got 2 pizzas. Probably going to have one of those tonight for dinner since all my energy is out of me now after that backsplash. This apricot coriander sauce was on sale, buy one get one free, so it's only $2 and some change. But then on the can it also had $1 off coupon off one, so I think this was only $1 or something, which is awesome. So I'm planning on doing this in a crock pot meal with y'all, and I'll put that chicken and some broccoli in the crock pot, let it cook on low for some hours, and that would be a good dinner with some rice. We got Jiffy cornbread mix, mashed potatoes. We have a frozen meatloaf, and so that would be good for that. Erin picked out some of this Pioneer Country sausage flavor. I like that. Got 2 bags of shredded lettuce. This is the lettuce we like to eat in salads, tacos, BLTs, all that good stuff. So there's the big bag of broccoli florets. Got sunflower tortilla shells, 2 cans of corn. 2 cans of green beans, the corn's next. And this brand I normally don't get, but they were only $1 each on sale, so I ended up getting those. Then the corn was 65 cents. They were out of green beans, or else I would have gotten the Cha-Ching brand because it's the best for your money. We got another thing of Bush's baked beans, the brown sugar hickory. Good stuff. I got some slow cooker liners because the last time I cooked in the crock pot without a liner, it took me like a week before I cleaned the thing. Dog food. Did say we got a tomato for BLTs. And Erin got 2 things of hamburger meat. $11.50 for that one. This one was $11.31. And then we got another thing of chicken breast through here. And then he got a buffalo style chicken wings. This was just out from earlier. So that is everything we got today at the grocery store. It'll probably last us a week. And we still have a $20 off coupon for completing all of our boxes on the receipt for Food Line. So we're going to have to run up there and get something else because we forgot to take it today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. By the way, this sweatshirt I'm wearing, I just got it in the mail. It's super cute and thick and it's soft. It's not the itchy fabric. I was worried about it because I ordered it off of Amazon. But they are from a small to 2X. So I'll leave this link down below. I'll actually leave the Christmas gifts that we've purchased this year, that whole entire category down below, and this is included in there. Alright y'all, see you in the next video.